Yale New Haven Hospital is one of the only places in the state, and I'm positive around the country, that have every possible experience, and that's what you want early on in your career. You want exposure to pediatric, oncology, critical care, and only few people offer that and do it well, and Yale New Haven is one of them. And I think the experience I have here, I don't think I would have anywhere else.
I feel we really are state of the art, and every change we make brings us one step closer to beyond what I thought we could be beyond, and we keep getting better and better.
If you are a person who really likes enjoying helping others, if you're responsive to other people's needs, this is the best place to work.
So the leadership in our department has been a leadership that's been constant. They value both your career and support you in your career perspectives and in which direction you want to go. But they also recognize that many of us are working parents, and that they help us balance that work-career life that sometimes can be difficult for people and can change in terms of what direction you go. And the one thing I have felt is that I've had that opportunity to still develop my career here and yet have a family, and neither one has suffered.
I like working with my coworkers because every single one of them brings a little bit something different to the table. If you have a problem while you're doing an exam, there's always someone around to come around and help you out, give their experience. You know, one day you might be working with 3 techs who have worked for 20 years on the job. The other day you might be working with ones who have 5 years on the job, and one day it might be your job to train someone.
And it's a good collaborative environment, and I think that's one of the most important things. You have to not just like what you do, but who you do your job with.
I just love the staff that I get to work with on a team, and being able to collaborate to kind of make this the best experience as possible for kids and families who need to come here.
If you want to be engaged in patient care, you want to make a difference in patients' lives, you want to work with a team that appreciates your input and what you bring to the team. If you want to grow professionally over time and have the opportunity to grow, and if you want to work with great people, this is a place for you.